Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how you can install Amazon Pay on Shopify. So let's get started. First of all, log into your Shopify store and then open your Shopify dashboard. After that, click on the settings button. And after that, click on the payments button from the top left side. Now click on the add payments button and search for Amazon Pay. And now click on the activate button. So this is the one way to install and add Amazon Pay to Shopify. Another way is to, after opening payments, scroll down and you will see the Amazon Pay option already. And you will see the status is inactive. So by clicking activate Amazon Pay, you have two options: to sign in or create an account. Select accordingly. Now accept the terms and conditions and then click transfer credentials. And now you will see the status. It will take some time to show active, but that is the another way to add Amazon Pay. So that's how you will install Amazon Pay on Shopify. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.